In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Agoda profile. Please note that profile edits cannot be done directly through the Agoda mobile app. Instead, you must use a browser either on your computer or on your mobile device. For demonstration purposes, I'll show you the process on a computer. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Agoda. Click on the official Agoda website from the search results and log in if you're not already logged in. Once here, click on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your full profile page where you can make changes. Here, you have several options. First, you can edit your name, and once updated, the new name will also reflect in all upcoming bookings. However, you cannot change your email address from this section. You do have the ability to add a phone number and to update your password. If you plan to change your password, make sure you remember the current one, as it is required for verification before creating a new one. In addition, you can manage your email subscription preferences, such as choosing what type of promotional or informational emails you would like to receive or stop receiving. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully edit your Agoda profile.